Walkerscott's fundamentally an IT solutions provider. We build products and solutions on top of the Microsoft technologies. We have a specialty in data and analytics. That's been a core part of our business since inception. We have a custom development business where we build applications. And then more recently, we've got our Azure specialty and service line, which is about really the platform underneath the solutions we're offering to the market. So in 2018, we went up to Microsoft Inspire, the Worldwide Partner Conference, and one of the key takeaways we took from that was we needed to get involved in licensing. Microsoft was changing the way they were licensing and what they wanted to do, and we needed to be part of that as our solution offering. So we came back to New Zealand, we met with a number of the partners that we could work with in this space, and that's when we met Umbrellar. We really liked what they were about, we liked the way that they were engaging with us and where they were in their life cycle with Microsoft as well. Our view of the licensing world is that there's some really big, large incumbents who in the old world of Microsoft were really about order taking. It was about us going to them and providing them with what we were going to sell, in effect. We saw Umbrellar as representative of the new Microsoft, and that was really going to be fitting with what we wanted to do. So they represented for us the right sort of partner to deliver the outcome that we were trying to achieve. Right from day one of the engagement, firstly they were really excited about it, which is one of the key things. Like in any relationship, when you go into a partnership, you want it to be exciting. And they engaged us at a marketing level, at an event level, as well as the sort of the nuts and bolts of what we needed to do around the Microsoft licensing. And we've run events together, we've been involved in their partner days, and they've been really hands-on with helping us move our clients into the Microsoft licensing model that we're part of. We've really enjoyed working with Umbrellar. They're great. They're a great team, really personable. They're as excited about the Microsoft journey as we are, and really focused on partnership. So I referred to it as family, but it in effect is an ecosystem of businesses that they're trying to fit everybody into a model that can be sort of self-beneficial, that we contribute and we'll get something back from that. And that partner model or ecosystem is huge. It's going to be hugely powerful for us.